First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes baby car camera, 7-inch touch monitor, bread for monitor, cigarette lighter adapter, video cable for camera, straps, manual. Align the stand with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Flexible angle adjustment of the stand. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the stand. Place it on the dashboard or windshield. After pressing the bracket to expel the air, pull down the exhaust buckle to fix it. Slide the camera bracket in against the hole on the back of the camera. Take out the straps. Pass the strap through the hole in the camera mount, plush side up. Wrap the strap around the seat and hold it in place, as shown in the video. Adjustable straps for your desired length. The second camera operates in the same way. Pass the strap vertically through the hole in the camera mount with the plush side up. Wrap the strap around the seat and hold it in place. Plug the end of the cigarette lighter adapter into the display. Connect one end of the video cable to the camera. Plug the other end of the video cable into the monitor. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter into the power outlet. Press the red button, the blue status light comes on. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Touch the monitor icon to jump to the main screen. Touch zoom icon to zoom in the image with 1 times, 2 times, or 3 times. Touch the brightness plus and minus keys to adjust the screen brightness display. Touch the camera icon to take a photo. Touch the video icon to open the video function. When the recording function is turned on, the recording time is shown in the upper left corner of the display. When the TF card is inserted, the white time display in the upper left corner indicates the remaining recording time of the TF card. Touch the lock icon to lock the file. Once locked, a key icon will appear in the upper left corner of the screen. Touch the lock icon to unlock the file, and the key icon will disappear. After recording is on, touch the recording icon again to close the recording function. Touch the home icon to enter menu mode. Touch the file icon to view the file, unlock the file, or delete the file. Touch the playback icon to pause the video. Touch left and right icons to switch previous next video. When playing a video, it will change the playback speed. Switch to the video you want to delete and touch the delete icon. Touch the confirm icon to delete the file. Touch the cancel icon to cancel the operation. Touch the lock icon to unlock the current video. Once locked, the recording will be retained when the loop recording function is turned on, unless the memory card is formatted. Touch the home icon to enter menu mode. Touch the settings icon to enter the settings interface. Click resolution to enter the settings interface. Tick 2K1080p720p resolution according to requirements. Click the back icon to return to the main settings screen when you are done with the settings. Click on the picture quality to enter the setting interface. Check 12 megapixels, 10 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 5 megapixels, 3 megapixels, 2 megapixels resolution according to your needs. Click the back icon to return. Click loop recording settings and check close 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes as required. Click the back icon to return. Click driving collision sensitivity and check the close low medium high option as required. Return to the main recording interface. When the video recording function is turned on and the vehicle is involved in a collision, the monitor will automatically lock that video. A key icon will appear on the screen. Click on the key sound. Check the on-off box according to your needs. Click on language settings and check the desired language according to your needs. Click volume settings and check the low, medium, high option as desired. Tap the up-down arrows to scroll the screen. Click on format settings and follow the prompts to confirm or cancel formatting. Note: confirmation of formatting will erase all files on the memory card and is not recoverable. Please proceed with caution. Click default settings and follow the prompts to confirm or cancel the default settings. Note: after clicking the default action, the device will be restored to factory settings and all customized setting functions will be restored to default. Click on time settings and click on the up-down arrows to adjust the year, month, day, hour, minute, second data. You can view the version information at the version